Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back today for our April Paycheck 1. Can you guys believe it is already April of 2021? This is amazing. And also, I'm so excited because of all of the strides that I've been able to make as far as achieving my goals. So this month, we may hit some really big goals, and we're just going to see how things go. So let's get started. If you're interested in videos about designing a life that you love with budgeting and creativity, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a little bit. All right, so we all know how April Paycheck 1 goes. It is pretty straightforward, pretty to the point, not too much going on there. We have our paycheck date, and that's gonna be March 19th, 2021. And we start off with our favorite. We start off with our envelopes at 30 or 300. Wow. Wish they were only 30. Rent at 960. Adobe at 35. Electricity at 100. So electricity is back at 100. The weather here in Texas is beautiful now, so I'm hoping to have a low electricity bill, and then I'll have some great leftover money to have some fun budgeting with after this first paycheck has closed out. We have Banfield, the pet insurance, and that's going to be 60? No, 50. Then we have sinking funds. Sinking funds. I have so freaking many sinking funds. I save for everything. It's honestly a little bit ridiculous, but it's fine. Giving, we have $12. And then school loans gets 40. And that's it for this paycheck. Like I said, pretty quick, straight to the point. So now we're going to do a little bit of cash stuffing. I think the first thing that I want to do as far as the cash stuffing, because we have all the sinking funds, and I'll flip there. I'm going to take this out because I haven't done my... I do want to do sinking funds. It's a different one. Okay. We're going to actually do our envelopes. Let's fill our envelopes. I need to hole punch this so it can be done, but we have several envelopes. We have food. These are all electronic, but I am thinking of going back to using cash. Did you all go electronic when the pandemic started? And are you going back to cash, or did you always stay with cash for your envelopes? We have food, that gets 50. We have gas, that gets 30. We have home, that gets 35. We have beauty, that gets 15. We have entertainment, that gets 20. We have clothes, that gets 25. And then we have travel, but we don't fill travel with this paycheck. I need to go get that so we can see what our rollover is. Because that is in the car, and actually I'm just going to leave it in the car. So what we are going to do is, I do know that we actually will have, for my EE, which are my kind of extra leftover from electronic envelopes, we had $10 left over. So I pulled that $10 out, and we're going to take that $10 and contribute it to paying a little bit on my singing bowls and a little bit on student loans. Let's go ahead and fill in week 2, which is the same. 30. Oh, except for home gets 10 this time. Beauty gets 15 again. Entertainment gets 20 again. Clothes gets 0. And then travel will get 0 as we wait to get our second paycheck. So I'm actually going to just pull the 12 for my giving. So I can go ahead and just take that off. And that is the one. Here's some cash, y'all. And that is going to be out of this one, I believe. We'll put that 12 away. And then that's going to be it for this one. That's not $12, is it? I bet y'all like, she can't count. Here we go. Another 5. There we go. Now we've got that 12 to go in there. So this goes in my envelope for giving. And I just put this money, I give it out when I see people, but no one's been out because it's been cold and I haven't been anywhere because we're in the middle of a pandemic. So that's the end of that. All right, so this is paycheck 1. You'll see what I do with that $10. Actually, maybe I should do that $10 now. Let's do that $10 now so that I don't have to worry about it. So the $10 we get, which I should have probably actually used that 5 and the other 5, but I want the smaller one. So we'll do 5, 1. Actually, we will grab from our other pile. We'll grab from this one. We'll do 5 and 5. So here's 5 and here's 5. And so from that 10, from that EE, we're going to give 5 to Singing Bowls. Singing Bowls is always getting some love around here. So Singing Bowls, we literally just put some money in. So Singing Bowls is at 20. Let me pull you up some. You're a little close. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Look at this, just a mess. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 61, 62, 63. Now we're gonna add that $5 to it. There we go. Let's recount. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Is that right? 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58. Girl, I had counted wrong to even begin with. We're at 58. Count it one more time. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, 58 for Singing Bowls. Woo! One day I'm going to get all my stuff together, y'all. It's a lie. It's never going to happen. But you know what? That's fine because my life is not together. It is a mess and I'm still making it. So if you've ever had issues or doubts about, will I make it? Girl, you will. We all will. Is school loans though? Hold on a second. Let me make sure. School loans is not included on my... Because I'm almost 100% sure it's not. And I'm almost also 100% sure that I'm not tracking it. So... Yeah. Yep, okay. No school loans on there. Fantastic. Okay. So school loans, this is so all my school loans are in deferment, most of them, except for the 20 that I owe and then the extra 20 that I pay on that. So school loans has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and another 5. So now we're going to have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 to go on school loans. This is so that I can pay on the interest that's still owed on some of those ones that capitalized from last year. Because I don't want them to do that again when the end of the year comes, or for them to continue to gain interest as we go on. So, gotta make some changes there, y'all, so we can get this money taken care of. Okay. Let's see what else we need to do. That is it, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, so we've done the $10 from the EE from the paychecks. We've done the $12 for our giving, and that's going to be everything. All right, so as you can see, this money sitting here, we've got sinking funds we'll need to fill, and I'll be doing that in the next video. So I will see y'all in a little bit. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know how things are going for you, and I will see you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.